Custom hot rods and a mission that matters. That's what the Johnson's Horsepowered Garage Collection is all about. It's a wild group full of one-of-a-kind builds united by a single purpose, supporting our nation's elite warriors through Operation Healing Forces, a nonprofit dedicated to helping wounded and ill Special Operation Forces and their families. And these vehicles, they're headed to Mecum's 2026 Kissimmee auction, selling at no reserve to fuel that mission forward. Leading the charge is Backseat Betty, a custom 31 Model A that pays tribute to our Vietnam veterans, and boy, does she pack a visual punch. There's tons of authentic military surplus items worked into the build, and inside the cabin, you're gonna feel cleared for takeoff with items like these gauging bomber seats and this joystick that appears to be from a jet fighter. I don't know what it's from, but boy does it fit in, and boy is it cool. Moving on to the trucks, these weren't built for the faint of heart. This 31 International has that farm fresh field look, but don't let these patinaed, rusty looks fool you. Everything is bolted, welded, and screwed together and ready to rock and roll. There's a big block up front with rowdy side pipes, and man, I would love to see this thing at full send lighting up these massive Mickey Thompson tires. Now, sliding to the other end of the spectrum is this 1935 Factory 5 custom pickup. It looks vintage, but it's all modern tech. Like a Ford Racing Coyote V8, mounted in a black powder-coated tube chassis with a full performance suspension and brakes that keep everything under control. Also packing some attitude, these Chevys, with each of them having a party trick, hydraulic flip-up bodies. Which is a must because these cars are low, like really low. And if you get inside, I hope you have some attitude because you become one with these outlaw machines. On the 33, once you get past that green painted engine topped with that massive tunnel ram, you'll find some other visual touches like custom pinstriping and a distinct Jack Daniels motif. The 31 is just as radical, also featuring a massive roof top along with a custom frame and roll bar, and you won't miss it with these open headers. And then there's the outlier, a 73 Monte Carlo that stands out because it's stock and unmodified. It comes from Northern California and has the factory Landau top along with a Turbofire 350 topped with a 4-barrel carb. It's a wonderful example of 70s comfy personal luxury and is a great cruiser as is, or is the perfect foundation for a future radical build. It's a one-of-a-kind collection that won't go unnoticed, and it's selling to benefit those that have served and given so much. So if you're after a hot rod with some brash attitude and a cause worth backing, you'll find it here.